Welcome students. Today, welcome the students of CIT Polytechnic. Today we will learn a very important topic that is facsimile and some advantages and disadvantages of GSM technique. GSM means Global System Mobile. So first we learn facsimile. You know fax machine, very common machine used in today's telephony network. It is a fax machine actually transmits and receives documents over phone line, telephone line. Documents may be anything, text, image or handwritten context, anything. What fax machine will do? Fax machine will transmit and receive these documents like text, image or handwritten documents. First, will send the fax machine. Fax machine will scan the documents. Fax machine first. Whenever you are trying to send the documents over telephone line through fax machine to another fax machine or to the receiver, first the documents will be scanned by fax machine. Sending side machine scans the documents. First the documents will be scanned by the fax machine, then converts them in digital format, then converts them in digital forms or digital format, then it will transmit the transmits the document. So any documents, anything like text, image or handwritten document, first the fax machine will transmit, fax machine will scan the documents. Scanning first, then converts them in digital forms. Then it will be transmitted in the form of digital format. So this is our fax machine. There are two types of fax machine. One is normal fax machine, and it can send the information to another fax machine. Another is fax modem. There is a circuit board. There is an integrated circuit board located inside the system unit, which can send and receive the information to another computer. From one computer to another computer, it can send and receive the information from one computer to another computer. So this is fax modem. Actually, fax modem is associated with digital modulation of the data. The data we are sending, first it will be modulated digitally, then it will be transmitted from one computer to another computer with the help of digital modulation unit. That circuit board will do the digital modulation of the data. Then this digitally modulated data will be transmitted from one computer to another computer. This is the job of a modem. Modem will always do digital modulation and then transmission. So advantages, there are some advantages of the GSM technique. This is fax machine. You have got an idea of fax machine. So if anyone asks you what is fax machine, we will tell that fax machine transmit and receives the data over telephone line. Data or documents may be anything, text, image or handwritten content. First, fax machine will scan the documents, then it will convert the document in digital format, then it will transmit, then it transmits the document. Okay, this is the job of a fax machine. These two fax machines, dedicated fax machine and fax modem. Now, the advantages of GSM. GSM advantages: it is a more stable network with robust features, less signal deterioration inside the building, ability to use repeaters, talk time generally higher than GSM. The repeater is very important. Repeater is used in digital transmission signal. If that signal gets lost due to the decay of the signal, due to the propagation decay, if the signal decays or the signal lost during the time of propagation, then the signal can be reconstructed by using repeater. Repeater will reconstruct the signal if the signal gets lost if the signal gets lost partially during the time of the transmission. Suppose it is transmitted from source to receiver. The signal gets lost during the time of propagation or during the time of transmission partially or totally. The signal will be reconstructed with the use of repeater. So disadvantage of GSM, this is pulse nature of TDMA transmission in 2G interfaces with some electronics, especially certain audio amplifier. Intellectual property is concentrated among few industry participants, and GSM has technical limitation over the cell side. So these are the disadvantage of GSM. So remember the fax machine, concept of fax machine, what is fax machine, what type of fax machines are there. Remember some advantages of advantages are very small advantages I have given. There is more stable network with robust features, less signal deterioration inside the building, ability to use the repeaters, talk time is generally higher than GSM phone. And number 2 is disadvantage, false nature of TDMA transmission using 2G interfaces with some electronics. Intellectual property is concentrated among few industry participants, and GSM has technical limitation over the cell side. So remember these advantages and disadvantages of facsimile machines of GSM technique. And facsimile machine, you remember the definition of facsimile machine. It transmits and receives the documents or data over telephone line. Data or documents can be anything: text, image, or handwritten context. First, it will scan the documents. First, the machine will scan the documents. Then it will transmit in digital formats. Then it converts them to digital formats and then transmits the documents. So remember these things. These are very easy. In the next video, we will discuss about the cell structure of mobile communication, the cell structure of this mobile communication technique. What is the honeycomb cell structure of the mobile communication technique, that we will discuss in the shortly after this video. And we will discuss the basic cell structure of honeycomb pattern, how the cell structure is used for the mobile communication technique. So these are some basic ideas of facsimile machine and advantages and disadvantages of GSM. So don't mix it up. These are only informations. You can study it in your home. So there will be no problem in the exams. They may ask you to write down some advantages of GSM, some disadvantages of GSM. So these are some advantages and disadvantages of GSM. So don't mix it up and write down everything as much as possible.